In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the on-screen keyboard. So probably you don't want to use a computer keyboard, or it's not working properly, you have something urgent to do, and you would like to have the on-screen keyboard. If it's the case, then this video is for you. So first all, what you will have to do, you will have to go to your physical keyboard and you will have to click Windows sign plus Control plus the letter O, and the on-screen keyboard will appear. If your physical keyboard is not working, then you can, which means that you will not be able to open this on-screen keyboard in this way, then you can just go to your settings and you will click on this small icon on the left side which shows the settings. Using your mouse, we will click to go back home, and here we will go to ease of accesses. We'll click on it. We will scroll down using our mouse and we will look for keyboard. And here, guys, you will have to tick this section to turn it on. So use the on-screen keyboard. You will just click on it, and there we go. The keyboard is appearing, and you can just click wherever you want and you start typing, and it should start typing for you. To delete, you just use the mouse for using this keyboard. And to close it again, you will have just to click on this close and the keyboard will be closed. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always send us an email or leave us a comment, and we will do our best to help you. If you would like to help us and to encourage us to do more videos, you can always press like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.